Right, okay. I'm going to hopefully do a pick and gut of this ASSA RUKO 500 purple belt with gins. That's the key and the bitting. 5-pin. There's the lock. This is about take 3, I think. I've opened it several times, but cannot do it on camera for love nor money, as always. Oh, that's not good. Let's do that. That's gone loose. Try and get a view that everyone's happy with. I can see, and everyone else can see. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully, it gets to the guys at the LPE. And I big up you guys who spend your valuable time checking these videos for us. So I'll try not to go on for too long. Damn, man. Tolerances on this lock are so tight. It is precision made. Respect. It is not easy picking. Not at all. Right. There we go. Right. Finally. Okay, so let's get the picks out of the way. Get all that out of the way. Keep this in the shot. I'll probably zoom out a little bit so as to keep everything in shot. And then we Look at the pinning tray. It'd be interesting myself to see what's in here, as I haven't got it yet. So just be mindful to keep it all in view. I think I can probably come a little bit closer above it so I don't impede myself. Yeah. Don't like these C-clips much, but don't like any C-clips much, to be honest. As long as they come off. Just got to bend them back on. Just check my recording. That would have been a disaster. I need to get some of those the proper pliers for this job, but until then, these do suffice. Just got to get it right. Come on. That's got to be enough. A bit. God, broke my nail trying to do it. And there we go. Flip it now. That's the hard bit done. C-clip off. Get a good shim first, I think. Obviously, we saw it was picked. I'm just using the key for cutting purposes. Everything's still in shot. Keep forgetting I'm filming sometimes. Easily done. Which end of the key is which? That. I want. All on camera, yeah. Brilliant stuff. Alright. I'm really looking forward to this. See what we're dealing with, to be honest. So, front, I will start. So I have the F there, so I always have the front that side. Or still, sure, let's come down a little bit. So, in chamber 1, we have 2. Bloody hell, never seen that. So, this is why I'm in trouble. I like the way up, I believe they're called wafer pins, am I correct? So, you've got 2 key pins. And then number 2. Another 2. What? This is like it's dropping out of the drivers as well. I've never seen anything like that. You got like, well, I'm in a whole new league of picking. No wonder that was fucking hard to pick. So you got the 3 of them have 3 of the key pins have that extra pin. So that's the empty 4, and then onto this. So start from the front, which was this side. Probably go ahead taking the shit out now, to be honest. Zoom out and make sure I keep it all in. I was so bad at forgetting I'm filming. Can always zoom back in afterwards. So First. Yeah, gin. That's what I was told it was. Gin bottle spools. Very cool. First time I've seen them. Must remember which way they go back in as well. As you can see, they're coming out that way. Don't know if I need to show that, but fills in, focus, focus. Wow, they're all spools. Another gin bottle spool. And then in the fifth and final chamber, another. Bloody hell, 5 spools. And then, obviously, a load of springs. So, bloody hell. No wonder that was hard work to pick. Look at all that. So that's the, there you go, there's everything. There's the core, there's the things, there's the springs, there's the pins. That's crazy, all those things in the key pins as well. So I'm pretty sure that's my first purple belt picked and gutted, which is the Ruko 500 with gin bottle spools, which appears to be the case. Bosh, thanks for watching. Hopefully this is all good for a purple belt submission.